Hi, Charlotte. We're giving you some tummy time. Over here. First time doing tummy time. That's right. That's right. You're gonna have to get stronger. Do you like it? Huh? Do you like it? Just a little bit? Oh, yeah? Oh, looks like you don't mind it. Good girl. Charlotte, look over at Mommy. Turn your head. Hello. Hi. Over here. Okay, that's good enough.